Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys been doing well. We've been doing kind of all right. For some of you guys that follow me on Instagram, I told you that when I hit 200 subscribers, I was going to give somebody a $50 gift card, just a random subscriber from start till now. And so you know what? Screw that. I will send somebody some free merch, and I picked somebody, and I was just kind of going through the subscribe list, just looking, seeing who was on there, and came across a channel that actually looks pretty damn cool. His name is Jake Alexander, Jake Walton. He's got a pretty cool channel going, so I'll put a link in the description below to his channel. So I sent him a link to custom offsets or Anthem off-road, and he chose some of the stuff he wanted. They didn't have anything in stock right now, and I didn't want to let it go on too far. I didn't want anybody to think I was like lying about it or whatever. So he chose this hoodie, pretty cool hoodie. So it looks like on the front, and then the back it says Anthem off-road. So I ordered that, and that came in a couple days ago. So put this in a box and send that to him, and then I'm gonna send him one of our shirts, just black, black and white, nothing on the front yet. When I made these hoodies, I didn't, or these shirts, I wasn't really sure on what I wanted to do, for design, so we just threw something on there. Send him 2 koozies, and I send him a 7x7 sticker, and then a 10x10. He can choose whatever he wants to do with all this stuff. I just kind of want to show my, appreciation to everybody. I do enjoy doing this, and I want to keep it going. And I have, some bigger plans for my truck, just trying to get through right now, get by. With the whole COVID stuff that happened, it kind of put a lot of people back, like myself. So we'd probably be a little bit further into the build right now. I got a lot of plans for this stuff. I want to do a lot to it. I need to do a bed swap. Thinking about doing a bigger lift, bigger wheels and tires, or dropping it to a level, running some smaller tires. I want to get some motor work done, bigger turbo injectors, fuel system, all the good stuff. So I do have a video coming up here soon again. I want to talk about these Venom power tires that I got. And I have some problems with my truck that we're going to be fixing here soon. I think I might have found the problem with my lights flashing and kind of fading in and out, and it's kind of running a little weird too. So yeah, short video. Just wanted to announce who I gave it to. Like I said, his channel name is Jake Alexander. He's got a little bit more subscribers than we do. He's got a lot of stuff on here, from his Jeeps to his Razors to his Cummins to, he has everything on there. He's got a lot of good stuff. So, here's a good one, wheeling in front of a cop. All right, cool. That sounds like pretty sweet. Yeah, he's got all kinds of good stuff on here. So check him out. And if you're not subscribed, hit that button, turn the bell on, smash the thumbs up. Every so often, maybe it might be another 50 subscribers or 100, 150. I'm going to keep doing this probably all the way through the channel. Like I said, just to show my appreciation to everybody. So, yeah, I got some new gear from Custom Offsets too. Sent me some new shirts, and has a little logo up here on the back. But check out some new Anthem hats too. So, yeah, like I said, subscribe, smash that thumbs up, like the video.